Hey guys, Charles here. Today we're going to talk about HTML, in particular HTML5. HTML, or the hypertext markup language, is used to structure websites. It is the skeleton of all websites we see today on the internet. In this video, we will cover why HTML, how to create an HTML file, the HTML boilerplate, the anatomy of tags, commonly used tags, and the basic attributes. Let's go. So to create an HTML file, you have to save the file as a .html or .html. When you save it with a HTML extension, it becomes an HTML file. So I'm in the VS Code. So to create, let me create my file and name it index. As long as I save it as a .html file, then it turns into an HTML file. That's all I can say. There, and you have your HTML. And the boilerplate. So boilerplate is the section of the code that must be included in the HTML file. This is the basic HTML that is needed to make a website. So if I'm to show you, oh sorry. So this is the HTML boilerplate or HTML5 boilerplate, and it must include the doc type to show the browser that this is an HTML file, HTML5 file, and the HTML tag, then the language, which is the language, in this case it is English, the head file which contains the title of the website. If you check this, the document, it must contain the body which will contain everything that will be shown in this viewport here. So if I'm to type something here, everything, this will appear here. So that's the boilerplate and how to create a file for you. The anatomy of tags. We have the self-closing tags and the open and close tags. Self-closing tags are tags that close themselves. These include the image, break, and horizontal ruler, and many more you will see as you explore the world of HTML. The open and close tags. These have two tags, one at the start, hence open tag, and the other at the end, the closing tags. These are many, and you will see them as we continue. As a web developer, you will come across attributes in your HTML. And attributes provide an additional information about the HTML elements. The attributes are usually specified in an opening tag and come in a name value pair. There are many attributes, and some elements have their own attributes. Some are general, like the class, the ID, and some can be specified in CSS, like the width, height. Oh, so let's write some of the commonly used tags. First, I didn't talk about the comments and commenting in HTML. Ooh. Comment. That's how we write a comment. Then the headings. We have from heading 1 to heading 6. And heading 1 shows the heading, then heading 2 to heading 6 are the different levels of the subheadings. So we have H1. This is heading 1, 2, heading 2, H3. This is heading 3, also heading 3, H4, heading 4, H5, heading 5 in H6 heading 6. So these are different headings in HTML. And if we are to check on the website, this is heading 1, heading 2, up to heading 6. And then we have the paragraph. The paragraph tag is paragraph, and this is a paragraph. And if you check it from the website, and this is a paragraph. Then for images, I don't know if I have an image, it is image, then the source where the image file is, and then the alt, the description of the image. Let me see if I can get an image. Let's copy this, go here and paste it. So it's atomy.png. So I've got an image. I'll say source, and the source is anatomy. It is anatomy.png, and the alt is the anatomy of tags. And if you save, you see the image here, anatomy of tags. Then we'll look at buttons. Creating a button in HTML, it will be the button. And by the way, the reason why I'm writing name like this is because I have Emmet, and Emmet comes with VS Code, but you can also install it in other code editors, Atom and so on. So this is a button. So this is button, or you can even say submit. These here are the buttons, if you can see them. Then also, let me remove the image from here because it's becoming a problem. Then also we have forms. This is for creating the forms, you see, and some of those stuff. So this will be form with the action. For now we don't have any action, we just say let's go to register. And here in the form we may have a label for, let me say, just let's go with just, and the label is name. And if you're to see, it's here name. Then we have also the input, see input, and our input type will be text, and the name will be just still, and it's, then the ID will be name. The reason why I made the name just because this input will be connected to this label. When someone, let me show you what I mean. This is name, and this will be the, yeah, that's it. Then we may need also text area. Pardon me, text area, and this is where maybe someone leaves a comment, some of that stuff. And then submit button. It's a button saying submit. And that's a form for you. with a name. Someone puts his name, sends his message, and submit. The reason why it's like this, there's no CSS to style it up. So links also can have the anchor tag to be href to the, that's the placeholder for the link you put, and this is a link, and it's here. This is a link. It goes to the H. So you see more of these tags, but these are the most commonly used. You see more of the tags as you continue to explore HTML. There is the break line, the HR, and many more. Then the cinematic elements, we shall look at them later. These are the div. We have the main. You can read more about it or make a tutorial in the future. Just leave a like and comment in the section. The main, all these are semantic elements that came with HTML5. You already talked about main. There's the header. There's a difference between header and head. As you can see, header. Then we have footer. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned and subscribe to be notified when I upload a new video. And please like this video if you found it helpful. Bye.